Hey, and welcome to a video that's a little bit different for my channel. So you guys have seen the shed before. It's a little bit messy right now and I need to clean it because we have some family coming in for Thanksgiving. They actually live here, like they're not coming in from very far away. But they have not seen my shed, I don't think. And so I just want everything to be really clean and really pretty in here. And so I have a little bit of cleaning to do, and then I might do a little bit of Christmas decorating. So this is going to be kind of just like a cleaning montage, which is something that I haven't done really before. I've obviously done a lot of like time lapses and stuff, but I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. It's really not that bad. My desk is just like all the stuff I use to work every day, like whatever I'm working on that day. I just have like my planners out and everything. And then there's really just like some boxes because all my packages, I bring them out here and like unbox everything. And so there's just some boxes and some things like Rubbermaids that need to go back up in the attic because I always switch out my summer and fall clothes in my closet in the house. And so right now I just have all my summer clothes in Rubbermaids and I need to get a ladder and put them all in the attic. So it might be a lot of work and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Okay, so I just have Rubbermaids. Couple things, like I laid all this stuff right here because I just need to take it and put it in the house. So just a couple things here. These boxes that need to go in the trash, I need to sweep. That is the duck food, and so I really need to find a place for it because the duck pen is right out there, and so I just need to find somewhere to keep that duck food, but it's so convenient to have it right here by the door. And then here is the Christmas decorations I was talking about. That's for Thanksgiving. And then I just need to straighten the couch up. Here are just my tripods, which I literally just brought out here for filming today. My desk with my planners and everything. A couple more Rubbermaids with summer things. Here's the bathroom. I need to sweep, but you know, everything's clean over there pretty much. These are just all my gift bags and tissue paper, so I need to put that in the attic. This is my craft box that needs to go in the attic. And more summer clothes that need to go in the attic. So I'm going to put all this stuff in the attic. And then right here, I just have a couple extra things that need to go in the craft box. This lighting is so yellow, I'm sorry. But yeah, these boxes and these baskets are always out here, so that needs to go in the attic. It's just a lot of stuff I have to put in the attic, basically. But it's not too bad. Let's get to work.
Small don't get me high. I've given up all my friends and all my time. A pretty face never mattered to me. It's nothing like the one I see in my dreams. So I'ma hit the lights and go to sleep. Yeah, yeah. So sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. Introverted, keeping these thoughts to myself, but I'm not hurting. I'm keeping my feelings on the shelf. Every time I go outside, anxiety makes me blind. Can't keep hiding. I don't know why, I just can't find myself. So sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. So sick.
Okay, we're gonna go up into the attic and I'm gonna put you up there while I make some room up there for all of these Rubbermaids.
Getting tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. These paper walls don't change. Most nights just fade away. And I'm so sick and tired of this basement. So sick and tired of this. summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.
Hey, it's the next day, so I needed some help with unloading some of the Rubbermaids that I got out of the attic. And so I just took a break for the day because I did a lot in here, but then I really needed help because there were like 8 Rubbermaids that I had to like take in the house. So now I'm getting started again today. I'll show you the progress and then we're gonna decorate a little bit for Christmas. Okay, so here's what the couch situation looks like with my new little Christmas pillow from Target. That pillow was $5, how adorable. And then I just pushed the coffee table back a little bit. There's a lot of sun coming in right now, but I pushed it back from the door a little bit because it is like right at the door when you walk in. And then this is how this is looking. Pretty clean, pretty nice. This is this corner. So this is actually going on our Thanksgiving table as a centerpiece. I need to chop these down a little bit, but I got that at TJ Maxx and then the branches from Target. And so I'm just sitting it right here and not taking the tags off of anything until I go inside and set up all of the decor for Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna make a video about that. I'm gonna do a little haul of everything that I bought for Thanksgiving decor. And I'm gonna make a video of like decorate with me for Thanksgiving. So that should be the next video on my channel. Keep an eye out for that one. And then these are also for Thanksgiving. They're just to put like your hot pans and things on when they come out of the oven. And so I'm just gonna take that in the house tonight because Thanksgiving is tomorrow. And then here's all of the Christmas things that I have to decorate with so far. I think I'm gonna sit a lot of the trees up on that ledge and it's gonna be really, really cute. Then we have this. I just need to take this mat and put it up in the attic. I forgot to put it up there. This whole section looks so much nicer. Got Woody up on the shelf. Sorry for the yellow lighting. But I just reorganized like everything in here and it looks so much better. Then the bathroom, nice and clean. Everything's looking good. Okay, let's do some Christmas decorating. I need to take the tags off of everything.
Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry.
Okay, I'm slightly bummed because these 5 trees right here were too big to fit up on that ledge right there. And so I just put 5 right there, and that one has little lights on it in the middle, so cute. And then I put this one over here. And right here, I put up 10 little trees and the nativity scene that I have, and it's right underneath this neon light. So I think that's kind of cool, but here's kind of what it's looking like for Christmas in here right now. I really want to get a tree and put it back in this corner. I think that would be super cute. So we'll see if I get a little tree. I think I'm done cleaning out here. It looks really cute. I showed you guys the overview of everything. Thanks for sticking around. Thank you for watching the montage. I hope that that's something that you guys are interested in. I know that sometimes when I need motivation, I'd like to turn on a nice little cleaning montage and just see someone else accomplishing something, and then I feel better and like I can go out and tackle things. But I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, I'm going to be coming out with a Decorate for Thanksgiving with Me video very soon. I'm actually going to be filming it all today and tomorrow because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And today my package from Amazon is supposed to be here with everything else that I ordered for decorating. So I did a little bit of Christmas decorating right here, and then we got the shed all nice and clean. Those are just my tripods right there. But it's all nice and clean for people to come see it for the first time tomorrow. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching this. If you would, give it a like. That helps me out more than you know. That means the world to me whenever people like this video. Give it a comment if you want. And if you're not already, hit the subscribe button down below. It'll be in the description. You can also find me on Instagram at Marissa Designs. If you want a little behind the scenes peek at some of the things that I'm working on, I try to post over there during the week. Okay, I've been really bad at it lately, but I promise I'm trying. I'm really gonna try harder. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Dreaming about the future.